Welcome
to Cedar Village Dentistry. We care about providing our patients with a remarkable experience in our office and providing the best dental care.
My goal is to make sure all my patients are proud and confident about their smile. We strive to provide the best dental care, not only in Cincinnati, but in the entire country. Welcome
to Cedar Village Dentistry.
Hi, my name is Dr. Thomas Dooley, owner and dentist here at Cedar Village Dentistry. Over the years, we have always tried to make sure that we take great care of our patients. With a person's smile, it's the first thing people see, and so it plays a big factor in their confidence and their overall health and their ability to chew.
I was very, very scared in the beginning because I've been to so many dentists, and it's been a rough time. But it's been wonderful here. I would recommend this dentist to anyone. I have never had a bad experience yet, and I have had tons. So believe me when I say this is the best dentist there is. I mean, I wouldn't even leave my house because my teeth were so bad.
Walking to my mom's car, and like kind of pulling down the visor and looking and like just being in like shock and awe because I had like actual teeth in my mouth, like nice, beautiful teeth in my mouth when I walked out.
We are now able to deliver patients with implants that are actually stay in the mouth. It is what you call as teeth in a day, and so that is awesome. So we will take out all the teeth and we'll actually be able to give you a brand new smile that you're confident and able to chew pretty much whatever you want.
Oh wow, holy shit. Those look crazy. They look really different.
We got tears from Mom, so.
They look really good. Thank you. They look really good.
Yeah.
The ease of contacting them, indicating what the issue was, as well as getting an appointment very quickly to be seen, was just unbelievable.
Beginning from the front desk, everybody is very helpful. Katie, Ashley, they're always helpful, ready to answer any of our questions and concerns.
Dr. Dooley is just a wonderful dentist. I've been very happy with my experience here.
The care taken by the staff and Dr. Dooley and his team has been outstanding.
Very nice, very gentle, do their job thoroughly, and we're leaving facility with a smile on our faces.
If you want the guy next door working on your teeth that cares about you as a person as well as your dental, this is where you need to be.
This isn't just dentistry. We are in the business of changing lives, restoring smiles, giving you permission to be seen again. Your confidence is who you are, and we're the team that gives it to you. We're the team that gives it to you. Change your story, change your life. This is your opportunity to live again. Feel like yourself for the first time in years, and we're the team that gives it to you. 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 And we're the team that gives it to you. We're the team that gives it to you. We're the team that gives it to you. We are Cedar Village Dentistry. We find ways to reach your goals, get to the unachievable, restore your health, and make you proud to smile. This is your second chance to live with energy. Not let anything hold you back. Have the freedom to be yourself. This is the joy you deserve. And we're the team that gives it to you. And we're the team